everybody, today I'm going to be showing you the police car build, so let's get into it. So today I didn't know what to make a video of, and I just wanted to make a video of Lego, and I tried to find a Lego set that I hadn't opened before, and this is what I found. So I hope you guys like the video, and yeah, let's just keep building. Right, that, and then these two, and right, there we go. And next page. So this is what we've got for a start. Now let's keep going. So you and you go here and here, and then we get these two, and we put them right here. And then we get the steering wheel pieces. Put the steering wheel pieces keep falling off. Put the steering wheel there. Then we'll step 5 and get oh right, nothing is wrong. Right, now we need these two. And this, yep. Oh, and this. Get this. There we go. And fit this in there.
Hey, I'm not fitting you.
And then we will get step 6, right? So this and this go here, and these two go here. Then we get the windshield and a 1x4 and put it on top, put it there. Then we get these two, red here and blue here. These pieces. Right, then you get 4 wheels and pop them on. And then we build the policeman. So there's the car. Now let's build the policeman. So let's get his legs on. And the other leg. And then get the legs on, head, the head gets popped on, then the helmet, then the visor, yep, right, now we have to do his arms.
Is she gonna be like when she grows up? I know. She's not gonna be my name. Except
Oh.
I didn't.
There we go. There's
Except you did.
one. So tricky. Wait, I'll just build this on first. And I'll try that one myself. There we go, that one fits. And there we go. And then the visor is the last piece. There we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the build and the video. Right, let's just leave that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video where we built the police car and the little policeman. And I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below, and bye.